How to fix Minecraft keeps crashing or freezing on Windows 11. 1. Install Minecraft latest patches. 2. Clear Minecraft app data at % of data %. 3. Update/install latest version of Java. 4. Update graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Change Minecraft in-game settings, disable use VBOs. 6. Stop overclocking, if any. 7. Run Minecraft in Windows clean boot state. 8. Reset Minecraft. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Minecraft.